Okay, so I know we've got the webinar coming up on Tuesday, and I've been talking all about that, but I want to take a quick break to show you something that is really, really cool. It was unexpected. It kind of just dropped on my doorstep here, or in this case, my Skype, and I wanted to share it with you guys because this is really, really cool. It's a product called Xinemax, and what it is it's templates and green screen stuff that you can use inside of CapCut. You can use it in other video editors as well, but the templates are directly built in CapCut. So if you don't have CapCut, again, I got to tell you, get CapCut. It is free. You can upgrade and pay the very small monthly fee to get all the cool stuff, but it is a free program, so I highly, highly recommend that you get it for a number of reasons. And in this case, so let's go out here for 1 second. So this is Xinemax here, and you can see it comes with a bunch of different things that I've already downloaded. Now, I will tell you this, the one thing you do have to do is follow the instructions, because unfortunately, much like with my instant spokesperson stuff with CapCut, CapCut doesn't have the best import feature when it comes to outside templates and things. So you got to follow the instructions to bring them in, but it's not hard. And once you do, they're going to be in exactly where you need them. But you can see they've got these animated video templates. You got the font list, which is just going to be the fonts that you're using. I already installed all of those. You can see there's quite a few. Hopefully I got them all. And then they've got all these different templates in here, the quick beat intro, you've got the social media end screens, trendy cinematic titles, video elements, and you can see each one of these, by the way, has, most of them have multiples in there. This is all of the virtual set stuff here, and then you got the VSL creator in here, and you got the YouTube end screens. Now, once you get this set up following the instructions, you're going to come into your CapCut, and you're going to see that some of the templates are already in here. Like I've already opened up this YouTube one here, and if we scroll down here, you're going to see all of the ones that we just saw, like the quick intros, and all of these are down here, okay? I'm going to open up this one here. This is an end screen for YouTube, and all you do is once you have it in there, you just double click it to open it, and you can see it's got a really cool boom channel. And now all you have to do is go in and make the changes to this. So for instance, you're going to need to add a video here. You're going to want to add your logo here and the video here. And then inside of all this, where you've got the Twitter and the Facebooks and the subscribe to our channel, you can adjust any of that stuff. And you can see it right here. This is the Instagram one. So if we come in here, we can make a change to that. So Instagram.com/Ray the Video Guy. Oops. There we go. And same thing for our Twitter here. I'm going to change that as well to Ray the Video Guy. Okay. And the same thing for our Facebook. Put that in here, Ray the Video Guy. And we're going to change this up here. Subscribe. First of all, I forgot the word to, so put the word to in this. Subscribe to our channel. And then once you have this here, you're going to bring this and export it out. You're going to bring it into your YouTube channel. And then when you do, you're going to add your, whatever video you want there. You're going to add your logo here, and you're going to add the video here. So very, very easy to use. And you can see here, actually, my name is pretty long, so we're going to have to adjust that too. So we'll have to come in here and just kind of move things around a little bit just to get it looking better. So move Facebook over here a little bit and move our name over here. Try to keep it in line. And then for this one here, we're going to move it in this direction, just like so. And then move that. So you're just going to have to adjust this a little bit here. I'm going to have to adjust it a little more. My name apparently is a little long. And of course, you can also do things like change the font. So maybe you get a font. So like for instance, one of the things I might do is I might come in here and I might change the font to something that is a little tighter. And that could definitely help. Like this one here looks like it's a little tighter. Maybe. Oh, it didn't change. Hold on. There we go. And so now you can see it's nice and tight there. So now we can move this over here and just do that with all of these here. Again, you may not have as long a name. So we'll do that again with this prohibition one here. If I could grab everything, it would be good. All right, hold on. There we go. Got a little twitchy mouse syndrome going on here. And then do the same thing to this one. Change that again to our prohibition. Boom. And so now we can adjust this even further. Like we can move our Twitter back over here a little bit. Something like that. And then export it out, upload it to your YouTube, add your videos, add your logo in here, and you're going to have a nice little end screen for that. Now going back here, let's close this out. We can look at some of the other ones. Like this one here, this is a film leak one. This one's really cool. So you can see it's got these film leaks here. So what you would do in a situation like this is you'd look at these clips, and what you would do is replace the text as need be and then change the clips to whatever it is that you wanted to promote. So if you got another product here, you know, let's say that I wanted to promote, I don't know, instant spokesperson. You can add that in there. And then modern and professional design, yeah, that's fine. We can leave that there. I don't see a problem with that. So now we've got that on the end here. Now what we would do is we would come in and we would grab maybe some of the instant spokesperson videos and replace what's already here. So you'd bring it in, drag it in, and replace that. And now you'd have a really cool, I mean, that's a pretty darn cool template there. I like that. Now let's go back out here for a second, and we're going to look at a few more of these. So if we come on down here, once again, we got the quick intros. I don't know what this one is. I haven't opened it yet. I have seen them on the website, but based on the icon, I'm not sure what it is here. So, oh, yeah, nice boxing one. This is cool. Now look at this. You'd be able to, if you don't know anything about video editing really, you can come in and you can do exactly this. Just change the pictures from that to whoever's fighting, change the text, and boom, you've got that there. So very, very cool templates. Look at the website to really see all the different templates that they have in there. Let me see what else we got here. This one's trendy. Okay, so it's loaded up here, and this is the Cinematic Titles Pack 5. So just a nice little cinematic deal here, kind of like you would see at the end of a trailer. So that's kind of cool. And let's go back out here. I want to look at let's look at, you can see I got a lot of projects in here already. It's got some trailers in here. This one right here, let's go for this here. And so this is our green screen footage. So you can see they put the green screen footage in here, and that's the background. So it's already got it set up for you. So even if you don't know anything about doing the green screen stuff, even that is already set up for you in here. And by the way, they have a lot of backgrounds. I mean, take a look at these different backgrounds they have in here. And we have these in here as still images, so you could use them in any video editing tool. It does not have to be just inside of CapCut, okay? All of these are in here, and there's lots of them. Going back here, and these are all just the book ones. There's building ones, there's living rooms, there's all sorts of ones that come with this. So be sure to check all of those out. And let's go outside here and look for something else here. Let's see. Let's try this trendy one right here. All right. So, oh, this is another of the cinematic trailer packs. Whew, American Gangster. So again, you just come in and make your changes to that if you're doing a nice little cinematic deal. And let's find something else here. Again, my apologies. I got tons and tons of stuff already in here. Let's see what we got here. All right, so this one is the VSL creator. Oh, okay, cool. So this is the built-in VSL creator. So again, if you don't know what a VSL is, this is a video sales letter. So this is going to build all that for you. So this is typically where you have on a sales page, you would have text over a background for a video in there. And this is just already set up in here, so you can do that. Typically, a lot of the ones you see are more like this with just the text on the color, but it can also be over different images. And you just come in and you replace the images that are here, boom, 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 and you'll have your VSL set up very, very quickly. So again, lots of really cool things that are in here that you guys can use. Let me go back in here again. I'm having too much fun with this here, I think, but let's see. I wish I didn't have all my stuff in here, because then I have to search a little bit. So let's see. All right, so this one is a cinematic slideshow. So again, all this stuff is in here. Let's just play. So it's got the effects on the video itself, the filters, it's got the transitions. You just come in, change the actual imagery, change the text to whatever you need, and boom, you're going to have a nice template once again here. And I'm going to search this time rather than digging through all that. I'm going to put in quick because you know we got a few of them in here. So let's try this one here. All right, so this one is the quick beat intro. Okay, that's really cool. I could see that being very, very useful for maybe a dance company, exercise, anything like that that needs a nice upbeat. And you can change the colors too. You don't have to stick with like the pink color. You could always change that to a different color, change out the different images in here, and you'd have something really, really cool. Let's do another one here. Let's see what this one is. Okay, this one is Quick Beat Intro 03. Nice. So again, whether you know how to use CapCut yet or not, I mean, you just open these up and you'll learn very quickly. There are tutorials in here as well, but I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to show you some of this. Look on the website for all the different things that come with this, but this is so easy to use, so cool. In fact, it does a lot of things that, quite honestly, I've never really done in CapCut. So this is even beyond my norm to do with. So these templates are going to be very, very useful and very helpful. And again, download CapCut regardless because it is, at least on its base level, a free program that can let you do a lot of cool stuff. But templates like this, and I want to go back out here because when we go to the actual stuff in here, if we go to the virtual sets, you'll also notice that in here, as we choose any of these, and you can see there's, you know, 9 different versions of this. Inside here, you're going to see the image version of these, and so you'll get the actual images. So you could use these in anything, any video editor or Photoshop, PowerPoint. And these are studios. So you can see there's a lot of really cool stuff in here. And the hall room. So the image versions can be used in anything. And then, of course, the ones that you set up inside of CapCut can be used right out of the box without having to really think twice about it. Like I like these industrial ones. I think these are pretty cool. But there's just a ton of stuff in there. So check it out. If you got any questions, let me know. I'll be glad to answer them for you. But again, just a really, really cool program that I think you guys could get a lot out of. So be sure to check it out. We'll talk to you later.